Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this sunset inspired look. I'm using 120 eyeshadow palette. First, gagamitin natin this yellow shade. I-apply natin sa crease area. Is gagamitin natin yung orangey shade, i-apply natin sa deep crease. Then, i-reapply ko yung yellow shade para ma-blend ko yung dalawang shades. Third is, combine natin yung red shade and purple shade at i-apply natin sa eyelids natin. So I'm done applying mascara and fake eyelashes. Next is I'm using a purple shade. I apply it to my lower lash line. I'm applying LUSH Lashes Mascara. It's from NYX. Next is I'm gonna use this foundation. It's from Maybelline and my shade is 128 Warm Nude. Kabuki brush. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender for setting the foundation. Next is I'll be using this concealer. It's from SHAWILL and my shade is number 2, and I apply it in my underneath eyes, drag away down from my cheeks, and also it makes a highlight. And also I concealed all the redness on my face area. And also I apply the concealer as I highlight down the bridge of the nose. Part I have a dark areas and I conceal it with the concealer. And also I apply on my chin as a highlight, and also at the center of my forehead. And I'm gonna blend all the concealer using this damp beauty blender. the concealers, I'll be using this MAYBELLINE face powder. The shade is Honey.
You got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't that where you need? Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that when you need my love? And I know in the holiday.
So I'm done baking, so I'm using this fluffy brush to remove the excess powder. Next is I'll be using this Morphe 9C. It's a highlight and contour palette. So I'm gonna contour at my hairline and also the temple areas. Next is I'm gonna use these two shades. I apply it to the middle of my ears, to the corners of my mouth. And also I'm gonna contour under the jawline.
Since I left the city, left the city, left the city.
Again, I'm using these two shades to contour my nose. From my blush, I'll be using this LOL and the shade is Coral. This is my holy grail or my favorite highlighter. It's from Bench. In this part, ginaya ko yung makeup artist ni Rihanna kung paano siya mag-apply ng highlight kay Rihanna. And the final is the lips. I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics. The shade is Pak Ganern. Make a ombre look, I'll be using this NYX Liquid Soothe and the shade is Sandstorm. And for the final touch of this lips, I'll be going to use a lip gloss. It's from SEPHORA Brilliant Makeup Palette. Well, this is the final look of the sunset inspired look. I hope you girls like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please give it a thumbs up for this video. See ya!